Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an exercise instead of a lesson where we try to make something by using what we've learned so far, while not really learning a new aspect of C++, but just applying what we have learned before. So today we're going to be making rock, paper, scissors, which is, it's pretty simple, but it's a good way to practice what we've learned. So I'm gonna open up text edit. So the way this is gonna work is we want our program to display something like this. Or let's do it in. There we go. Okay, pick a move like that, and then so the user will enter either 1, 2, or 3. Say they enter 2, then it's going to say you picked paper, and then we're gonna have the computer generate a random number, like we went over in the last video, and then we'll use that to generate a computer move. So it'll be between 1, 2, or 3 is the number it'll generate, and then if it picks, say, a 3, then we'll say computer picked scissors, and then depending on whether you win or lose or tie, it'll say you win or you lose or you tie. So that's pretty much all we're going to be going for today. I'll keep that document open so we can have it for a reference. Okay, so let's start off by seeding. Let's see, we're going to want to seed the random number generator. Okay, and then we'll see out like this. 1 rock, 2 scissors. No, why do I keep saying 2 is scissors? 2 is paper. Okay, pick a move. And then we'll make an int user choice. And input that choice. Okay, so then we want to generate a computer choice. So we'll do that by going int CPU choice equals, so our random function to generate a random number up to 3. And so when you use this mod operator, it'll be up to 3 in that it will be 0, 1, or 2. And we want it to be 1, 2, or 3. So all we're going to do is take that and add 1 to it. So that way it'll be 1, 2, or 3. Okay, so now let's see. If user choice equals 1, you picked rock. You picked paper. And then, like I was saying when we were going over if conditionals, even though we wouldn't expect the user to enter anything other than 1, 2, or 3, they may enter like a 7 or something. So we're going to put an else block here, so which basically means if the user didn't enter 1, 2, or 3. And if that happens, then we'll say uh, invalid choice. And then we'll go ahead and type return 1, because that way that'll just finish main, because once it finds a return value, it's not going to execute any more of the code. So it's not going to go through anything else. It'll just say invalid choice and then quit. So that's what you get for invalid input. Let's do some similar output for the CPU choice. Okay, that should go pretty well. Now we're just going to do logic. And so, first of all, if user choice is the same as CPU choice, then that means it's a tie. I'm going to go ahead and make some functions for winning or losing. Just so I don't have to type out the cout every time. And it's very clear, though I guess it would be pretty clear if it was couting. That should not be so happy that you lost. Let's see. I guess it would be pretty clear that I was saying that you lose, but whatever. I think it's nice to have it organized like this. It's a tie. Okay, that means you tie. Okay, so now we actually go through every choice and examine the different choices that the computer could have. I think that's right. So let's see. If you chose 1 and computer chose 2, that means that you lose. Then you win, because they chose scissors and you chose rock. Alright, excellent. If you chose paper and they chose rock, you lose. Oops, this should be a lowercase h. Excellent. No, why do I keep doing that? Then you win. Wait. If you chose paper, I think I have this backwards. You should win against rock and lose against scissors. Alrighty. One more to do. Let's see. If you chose scissors and they chose rock, you lose. Semicolons are important. Earn 2. So, you should win. Scissors beats paper. Okay, excellent. That should do all the output, and then we'll just see how. Thanks for playing. Or not player. Alright, there we go. Okay, that should do it. Let's RPS for rock, paper, scissors. And then let's compile. Alright, looks good. Pick a move. I'll pick rock. You picked rock. Computer picked paper. I lose. Yeah, that is right. Darn. So it looks like we're missing a few extra returns. So let's add those in. Just to make it look a little bit cleaner. So, and then after that, before all this, we'll do it in one. Alright, looks good. Okay, I'll pick rock. You picked rock. Computer picked scissors. I win. Awesome. So there you go. This should work for every choice. Yeah, I lost. Awesome. Let's try to get a draw before the end of the video. Just to prove that it's possible. Yeah, there we go. It's a tie. I picked paper and the computer picked paper. Okay, awesome. Pretty simple game. but it's your first game that you've ever programmed, probably. So that's pretty exciting, I think. If you liked the video, rate it high. If you didn't, rate it low. If you have a question, leave a comment or send me a message. And subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.